What is natural language processing in AI? Humans are always looking for better ways to communicate. We also want to communicate with machines in an easy and natural way. Machines often communicate more accurately than humans. Computers can send exact information at lightning speeds. Humans, however, struggle to fully express their thoughts. Delivering even 10% of what you mean makes you a great communicator. For machines to communicate better in our world, they need to understand human language. AI programs achieve this using natural language processing, NLP. NLP allows machines to understand and respond in our everyday language. An example is talking to a search engine like Google. You might type in, "recipe for Belgian waffles," into the search box. The search engine matches your phrase with popular results. Today, instead of typing, you can use voice commands with smart devices. For example, you can ask, "Could you give me a recipe for big, fluffy waffles?" Humans describe things using attributes like good, big, and fluffy. The machine must understand these words to figure out what you're asking. Words like good are relative and depend on the context, e.g., top-rated recipes. Modern NLP uses machine learning and artificial neural networks to understand language. These networks learn patterns by analyzing millions of conversations. For example, if it sees big, fluffy, and Belgian waffles together, it finds a connection. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and Apple use conversations, email, text, etc., to train their systems. This helps their AI understand patterns and improve communication. NLP is not just about understanding individual words. It's also about understanding the context and meaning behind the words. A few years ago, one of Google's top searches was, "What is love?" Humans have written about love for centuries, so there's lots of data on it. Early search engines just matched keywords like love to articles in their database. For example, they might show results about biological pairing rituals. These results didn't feel human or thoughtful, they were just keyword matches. With NLP, search engines now understand what the person might really mean. For "what is love?" you might get poetry or insights into romantic love. NLP makes responses much more meaningful and thoughtful. NLP isn't just about topics like love or waffles. Communication is central to being human. It's how we organize, empathize, and understand each other. Machines need to communicate naturally to be seen as intelligent by humans. Without natural communication, humans wouldn't accept machines as truly smart. NLP helps machines connect better with humans by understanding both words and their context. AI systems like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant use NLP to respond naturally. Better communication between humans and machines is key to improving AI.